Ashish. Very good morning to you. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Thank you. Thank you for asking.
That's great. So, Ashish, as you know, my name is Nitish, and I am one of the training and placement coordinator at PyNet Labs. And yesterday only we came to know that your batch has just completed of Python, Ansible, and DevNet Associate. So it would be really great, like if you can tell us about yourself and how you came to know about PyNet Labs, and how was your overall experience with us in terms of training and our services.
Actually, I was searching for the course online for the DevNet, and through some feedbacks and some other sites, I came across this PyNet, and I came in contact with the PyNet, and just in previous week only my course got completed, and it was really nice. The content overall experience was very good. And yes, I came across many new terms or many new standards which is being deployed into the telecom. So it was overall very nice experience.
That's great. So it would be great if you can share some points about your lab experience, like as in this training lab is built in your own personal system. So how is it going on? Like after the training, you are still working, or have you tried working on that?
Yes, there were few labs that we did on our own, and like I was asked to perform certain labs like fetching some information from the router. I tried doing in my network in the company where I'm working, and I'm fetching like the status of the uh, interface as well as the description of the router that we have in the network. So I'm working and using all those programming language.
Okay, that's great. That's great. And Ashish, one more thing, just about the study materials which we have shared to you. I hope it's enough, or you, if anything you wanted to say in terms of that as well.
Yes, that is enough, but there was some point I want to add, like uh, I was getting in contact with some of the developers who were working earlier also in the automation. They have means very lengthy codes, and if I try to understand, it is taking lot of time, and means I want to deep dive into it. So there must be some more content that taken into the deep. Yeah.
Got it. So here, like as you know, this is just an associate level of training for DevNet,
Okay.
and we
Yes.
have covered whatever the content which is there. So in terms of programming or developing part, so we have just covered the basics of Python. We haven't gone into the depth. As
Yes.
for network engineers, it's not required, but yes, as it is an early stage, so it's fine. Like the content is there. And if you want to go move forward to learn about automation, you can definitely go for CCNP DevNet. That is an advanced level of training. Or
Yes, I'm thinking to join. Yeah.
yeah. However, definitely I'll ask Mr. Abhijit to add some more extra examples as well as some more content in terms of Python, so that
Yeah.
it can help more participants. Yeah.
Yes.
Thanks a lot, Ashish, for your time as well as
Thank you. Yes, sir.
feedback. Yeah. I hope this training will definitely help you in your career. Yeah.
Yes. Yes, it is helping. Yeah.
Yeah, that's great. Thanks a lot, Ashish. Yeah. Bye
Thank
bye.
you. Thank you. Bye.